Yes, what is Java? Java is an object-oriented programming language which is used for building desktop applications or mobile applications, right? And it is a high-level language. Means we can write it in a simple language, right? Simple English language. Okay. Now, what are the main features? The main features of the Java, there are two main features. Although Java has multiple features, but there are two main features. That is, it is object-oriented programming, right? Means it is OOPS based. It is OOPS based. It is object-oriented programming language, and it is a platform-independent programming language. It means we can run Java code on any platform, right? Now we are taking one short example to learn how we can write Java program. I have taken the example to find a factorial of a number. Okay. Then what is the factorial of a number? First, we have to study what is the factorial of a number. Factorial of a number is the multiplication of a number from starting to that of the number, right? Like factorial of a 5 is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. That is equals to 120. It is a factorial of a number, right? And I have written the program this. Okay. What is a class? Okay. I have mentioned here class. Class is a simple blueprint. Okay. It is a simple blueprint of a Java program which consists of all its data members, like data members like this variable and objects. Everything is in the class. Okay. Then public static void main. After that, I have taken two variables. What are the two variables? First one is A and second one is B. What is the work of A? A is the variable which stored the number of which we have to find the factorial, right? A is equals to 5. We have to find the factorial of 5. And B will store the factorial of number. Like this 120, B will store the 120, right? For I is equals to 1 and I is less than is equals to A and I plus plus. What is the working of for loop? Working of for loop, we can here we can study first the value of I is equals to 1, right? Here it is mentioned that the value of I is equals to 1. Then I is less than is equals to A, right? I is less than means 1 is less than is equals to, what is the value of A? Value of A is equals to 5, right? It is, the condition is true, right? Here the condition is true. So the control will run inside the loop, right? Control will run inside the loop. And it will go inside the loop, and the statement here, it is B is equals to B into I, right? It is I, B into I. Then what will happen here? B is equals to B into I. What is the value of B? The value of B is 1. If we take 0 here, then the result will 0, because if we multiply any number with 0, then the result will 0. But I have taken 1. Why 1? Because multiply by 1, the number become itself. Okay, then 1 into 1, the value of I is 1. Okay, now the next step, now the B, the value of B, the value of B is now changed into 1, right? Then what is the next step? The control then again go to, we have right here I plus plus. What this thing denote? I plus plus means the value of I will increase to 1. Okay, the value of I will increase by 1, then the value of I will become 2. Now we have to check the condition for 2 here. 2 is less than equals to 5. Yeah, it is a true condition. Then it is a true condition, then control will go inside the for loop and it will take the statement, right? B is equals to B into I. Then B into I means 1 into 2. Then the value of B is changed into 2, right? The value of B is changed into 2. Then this loop will continue till the statement, till the condition is wrong, right? Then what is the condition when it is wrong? That when the value will be 6, right? When the value of I will be 6. 6 is less than equals to 5? No, it is false. Then if it is false, then what, the control will exit from the loop and will come here. Then if it come here, it sees the print statement. Print statement, what is the print statement? Print B. And the final value of B like the multiplication will appear here, and the final value of b will be is equals to 120. Then the final value of b is equals to 120, and here we can see that we have to print b. Then the value of b is, what was the value of b? B is equals to 120. Okay, then it will print 120. This is a simple program to find the factorial of a number. We can see how it runs on VS Code also. Okay, wait a second, I can share my screen. Okay, now here we can see that how I have write the code here. Class factorial, right? We have used class as a factorial, name of a factorial. Now public static void main. Public, what is public? Public is a access specifier. Okay, and static void main, right? String args. Then int variable a. What is this? This is a variable, right? It is a variable a. It is a variable. It is a variable. A is a variable which stores the number of which we have to find the factorial, and b is equals to 1, right? And now the simple for loop and the statement and the factorial of a number plus b. Okay, now we can run the program. Here you can see the output, that is factorial of a number is 120, right? Factorial of a number is 120. So here we can see how the program runs. I think you have understood the how to find the factorial of a number using a Java program. Okay. Okay. Then some things that may confuse you. We can come back here, and where was my whiteboard? Wait. Okay. In this statement, system.out.println, system.out.println. This statement is used for printing the output, any output which we have to print, or which we can see how it appears on the screen. We have to take it in here, print ln. And boy, there are two statements. One statement is print, and other statement is print ln. What is the difference between these two statements? The simple difference is print will print the numbers or any output in a single line, right? If we can print b and the value of b is 1 comma 2 comma 3, then it will print in the form of 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, right? And if we use ln, what ln will do? Ln just change the line. Okay, just change the line. Like it will print in the form of 1, 2, 3, 4. It will just change the line. These are the difference between these two statements, like print function and print ln function. And before that, we have to write system.out.println. Now here we can see that the system, the s is capital, but here the static s is small and void v is small, but system s is capital, because system is the collection. It is a collection, and then collection is shows the class, right? Then we used to write the classes in Java in capital form, and these are the keywords. Static is a keyword, void is a keyword, int is a keyword. Okay? Keyword are the fixed words. Okay? Keywords, what are the keywords? Keywords are the fixed words, right? They are the fixed words in Java. Fixed words in Java that cannot be changed, right? We cannot change keywords. We cannot change the keyword, but okay, we cannot change the keywords, right? Now what is the I have explained you the public is just access specifier, means we can access access specifier the works to access how we can access the data members in the program, right? Okay, thank you.